Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is temptation. It is pronounced temptation, and it is spelt T-E-M-P-T-A-T-I-O-N. Think temp, then ta, T-A, and then tion, T-I-O-N. Temptation means a strong desire to do something that is not good or against one's better judgment. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is appealing, but it may not be wise to do this thing, whatever it is. For example, you could say, he could not resist the temptation to sneak a cookie before dinner. Or you could say, she struggled with the temptation to use a calculator to complete her maths homework. The word temptation comes from the Latin word temptatio, which means testing or trying. If you are tempted by something, it could be in order to avoid something testing or trying, as well as that you are currently being tested. Your willpower is tested. See the connection? In the TV show Tom and Jerry, Jerry the mouse is often tempted by the delicious cheese that Tom the cat uses as a lure, as a trap, to try and catch Jerry. However, Jerry is clever and always manages to resist the temptation, or somehow he just manages to take the cheese anyway. Synonyms for temptation include allurement, enticement, inducement, and seduction. Antonyms for temptation are aversion, repulsion, and discouragement. See if you can notice any temptation today. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, temptation. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.